Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have a protected smartphone from the company Oukitel, namely the model G1. The smartphone is delivered in a box like this, where on the front side we can see the name of the company and the model of the device, as well as the fact that here we have a memory of as much as 24 gigabytes of RAM, as well as 256 gigabytes of internal memory. Of course, 24 gigabytes of RAM is achieved due to additional cloud storage plus 18 gigabytes, but all this is very powerful. And on the back side we have brief characteristics of our protected smartphone. Let's move on to unpacking. We take a knife, open it, and cut the transport film. We open the box and here we are immediately met by the smartphone G1 itself. For now we will put it aside and see what else is included in the package. Next in the kit, of course, there is an instruction, a warranty card, and other papers. A paper clip for our SIM tray, a power supply for 18W in black, as well as a USB-C to USB-C charging cable, also in black. Let's now take our smartphone from the company Oukitel, model G1, and talk in more detail about the smartphone itself. Right out of the box, the Oukitel G1 looks and feels like a tank. Its reinforced rubberized body, textured back, and Gorilla Glass 5 screen make it clear this phone is built for the harshest conditions. Durability and design. The Oukitel G1 is designed to survive in extreme environments. It comes with IP68 and IP69K certifications, making it resistant to water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, and completely dustproof. Dirt and moisture are no longer a concern. Its MIL-STD 810H certification means it can withstand drops from up to 1.5 meters without damage. The rubberized frame and textured back provide a secure grip, even in wet or rough conditions. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5, shielding it from scratches and minor drops. The phone can handle temperatures ranging from 20 degrees C to 50 degrees C, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This is a phone that doesn't just claim to be rugged, it proves it. Display and visual experience. The Oukitel G1 features a 6.52-inch LCD display with a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. While it's not Full HD, it's more than adequate for everyday tasks like watching videos, browsing the web, playing light games. The screen offers vivid color reproduction and excellent visibility in bright sunlight, making it suitable for outdoor use. The 60 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth animations and scrolling. For a rugged phone in this price range, the display strikes a good balance between durability and functionality. Camera performance. The Oukitel G1 is equipped with a 48MP main camera, featuring the Sony IMX582 sensor and an f1.8 aperture. Here's what it offers: sharp and vibrant photos in outdoor environments with good lighting. Solid detail, making it ideal for landscapes and casual photography. The additional cameras include a 2MP macro lens for close-up shots, though the resolution is basic, a 5MP front camera with an f2.2 aperture, which handles selfies and video calls decently. While the camera system performs well in daylight, it struggles in low light conditions. For under $200, it's a practical setup for everyday photography. Performance and software. Powered by a MediaTek MT8 octa-core processor, running at 1.6 GHz, the Oukitel G1 delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks, such as browsing the web, scrolling through social media, playing light games. With 6GB of RAM, plus 18GB virtual RAM, and 256GB of internal storage, you can multitask effortlessly and store plenty of apps, photos, and videos. Need more space? Expand it up to 1 TB with a microSD card. The phone runs on Android 14, offering a clean, user-friendly experience with the latest security and performance updates. Features like Face Unlock and a fingerprint sensor provide quick and secure access to your device. However, this processor isn't designed for heavy gaming or resource-intensive apps. For casual users, though, it's more than sufficient. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features of the Oukitel G1 is its 10,600 mAh battery, one of the largest you'll find in a smartphone. Here's what it offers: up to 1,000 hours of standby time, 60 hours of talk time or 18 hours of video playback, 10 hours of gaming on a single charge. The phone supports 18W fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge when needed. Plus, it doubles as a portable power bank, so you can charge other devices like earbuds, cameras, or even another phone. This massive battery ensures you're never left without power, making it ideal for outdoor adventures or long trips. Connectivity and features. The Oukitel G1 offers a full range of connectivity options. NFC support for contactless payments via Google Pay. GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo for accurate navigation. Dual SIM capability, perfect for travelers or those needing to separate work and personal lines. You can also swap one SIM for a microSD card to expand storage. Dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless wireless connections. These features make the Oukitel G1 versatile and reliable for various use cases. Pros and cons. Pros are rugged, durable design with excellent certifications. Massive 10600 mAh battery with power bank functionality. Decent performance for everyday tasks. Versatile connectivity options. Affordable price. Cons: bulky and heavy due to the large battery. 720p display resolution may not satisfy those seeking sharper visuals. Struggles with demanding apps and games. Final verdict. The Oukitel G1 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a rugged smartphone that doesn't break the bank. With its durability, long battery life, and practical features, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, or anyone needing a reliable device in tough conditions. While it's not designed for heavy gaming or high-end photography, it excels in providing value and functionality for its price. If you're in the market for a rugged smartphone under $200, the Oukitel G1 is worth considering. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.